Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for SORA.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to generate a video from an image, tap on the Describe Your Video text box at the bottom and further enter your prompt to guide the animation. So for instance, I will type in animate this forest scene with leaves rustling and sunlight filtering through the trees. Now tap on the plus icon and select the upload from computer option and then select the picture from where you want to generate a video. Further, make sure the video option is selected and not the image option. Next, choose the aspect ratio. You can choose from 16:9, 1:1, or 9:16. Next, choose the resolution. Select 1080p for high definition output. You will now be required to choose the length of the video, so go ahead and choose 10 seconds option. And lastly, you can choose the variations. Decide how many versions you would like SORA to create. You can choose up to 4. Finally, tap on the send button, and with this, the video processing will start. You can check your video status by tapping on the activity option on top of your screen. The processing time varies depending on the prompt, the resolution you have requested, and the duration you have selected. Wait for the processing to complete, and once completed, you can edit the prompt, recut or remix, blend or loop the prompt, and with this your video will be generated. So this is how you can generate videos from images on SORA AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.